Hey guys, Brett here. What's going on? At our client Amy and Joe's third Section 8 rental, guys. Amy and Joe are unbelievable at utilizing the Burr method. And that is when we buy a house, we totally rehab the entire thing, add a lot of value, add bathrooms, add bedrooms, new kitchens, and in this instance, new HVAC, new electrical, plumbing, new roof, everything. And what that does is, we might be into a house for $100,000 total, but because of the upgrades to it, it's now worth significantly more, okay? I'm starting to yell because we have guys here, we got generators going, we got a lot of stuff going here. This whole house is all fully rewired, okay? Everything in here has been done from a rewire standpoint. We took a 3-bedroom house, turned it into a 4. There are guys working. We are going to get through here fairly quick. I don't want to be in here for too long and be in their way. So guys, right off of, we're in the main living room. Right off of the living room, we have bedroom number 1, okay? Brand new sheetrock all over all the walls. We put a new ceiling in here too. So everything in here is being done. Now, in this living room, this is your dining area. We're gonna build a wall right here. Put a door on that far side, which is going to lead us into the kitchen. We'll see the kitchen though as we walk through. So, another entry to this bedroom is going to be right here. As you guys can see, the entire house has been redone. All new drywall. This is bedroom 2. All new drywall in here. We're going to do those windows as well and the ceiling, but all new drywall in that entire room also. Okay. And then we get to the end of the hallway, guys, for bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3, also all new drywall, putting a new ceiling in here too. You don't have to walk through any bedrooms to get to other ones. We're gonna have a door right here into the kitchen, as you guys can see right there, kitchen. And then you'll have an entryway, which gives you kind of access to the bedrooms through this hallway, and there'll be a wall here as well. So you'll have a double entry to get you into this hallway. So off of the master, so this is the primary bedroom. We have a huge closet. You'll have all your washer dryer hookups, which are all brand new, all fully replumbed, okay, this whole thing. And then you have your master bath off of that as well. So guys, this entire subfloor has been redone, as well as the rafters and supports underneath it, all brand new flooring system. Obviously this bath getting taken out. All new drywall in here, all new plumbing connections, all new sewer line there, all new water lines and PEX here as well. So tons and tons of work has been done here. As we exit this room, you can see where all the subfloors are placed. There's a brand new flooring system and supports under here. This is our kitchen, so brand new sheetrock and everything through here. We have our sink and everything will go here. You guys see the sewer line here and the PEX pipes for your hot and cold water. We'll put cabinets on this wall as well, and uppers and lowers, countertops too. You have your stove will go over there, and there's plenty of room in here also to have a big, huge kitchen table. It's that big kitchen, guys, and even when we fill it in, it'll be really large. So off of this, we have our another full bath in there as well. All brand new ceiling, brand new walls, brand new everything in there, as well as brand new plumbing, brand new floor system and subfloor. So this doorway not going to be here. We're going to move that to there, and you'll walk through a hallway to access bedroom number 4. And we haven't done it yet. We're still talking about potentially leaving this as is and building the wall right here. So bedroom number 4 is actually the first one on the left when you walk in. Guys, huge project. This is one of those projects that is gigantic, over $80,000 worth of renovation. And when you take on these projects, you just can't neglect the big ticket items, the roof, the new HVAC system, the full electrical rewiring, the full replumbing. You can't just come in here and do cosmetic work, because what's gonna happen is on projects like this that you buy for really cheap, you run into huge issues with all the mechanicals. And the mechanicals are the things that cost you the most amount of money. So when you do things right, you have to make sure that the contractors you use understand that and understand where your issues are going to arise and correct them up front. Please guys, as always, if you want to use me and my team, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. Otherwise, please leave your questions and comments. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.